Gentlemen, first of all, I'd like to introduce somebody to you that many of you know already, but not some of the people at the front, the Vice Rector of this university. Vice Rector.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the University of Pécs and the management of the university, I greet you and welcome you at the University of Pécs. My name is Ferenc Farkas. I am the General Vice Rector of our rector, who is staying abroad in that days. So it's a pleasure of the university and personally me to be here. So it's a pleasure of the university that we have a privilege to be a host institution of this ceremony, the ceremony of Telesio and Galilei Academy of Sciences. So this university is the eldest university in this region, in the region of the Central Europe. So this university was founded in the 14th century. So the first university was founded in this city, of Pécs in 1367. So I think it's a very long time of the history. So actually, this university is one of the biggest university in Hungary. Actually, the number of the faculties of this university is 10, and the number of the students is more than 30,000, and the staff is more than 6,000. Due to this fact that we are having a medical school, and you are the guest of our brilliant medical school of medicine. So, and the university, it has more than 20, almost 30 hospitals and clinics. So it is a very complex institution, which is a host institution of different sciences, included the physics and chemistry and biology and mathematics, which is the main field of the Galileo Telesio Academy of Sciences, and the other side, the other science fields and other research field and other teaching fields. Personally, my teaching field is the management. It's a little bit different from yours. So, and I would like to mention some words about the city. The city Pécs is a so-called sub-Mediterranean city in this region, and you could realize the proof of this sub-Mediterranean feature of this city, because there is a very hot day. Frankly saying, that is the hottest day in this season of this summer. So, and otherwise, the city of Pécs is in this year, in this calendar year, is the European capital of culture, one of the cities who is having this title in this year, the European capital of culture, together with the Istanbul from Turkey and Essen from Germany. So, and the city it's having many different programs and cultural and